Mazda RX-8 was a unique and innovative sports car produced by Mazda from 2003 to 2012. It succeeded the iconic RX-7, was notable for its unconventional design, rotary engine, and balanced handling. The RX-8 featured a distinctive and unconventional design characterized by its sleek lines, short overhangs, and rear-hinged rear doors, providing access to rear seats. It was available in both coupe and four-door configurations, offering seating for up to 4 passengers. One of the most distinctive features of the RX-8 was its rotary engine, a signature of Mazda sports cars. The RX-8 was powered by a 1.3-liter Wankel rotary engine, which was lightweight, compact, and capable of revving to high RPMs. It offered smooth power delivery and a unique driving experience. The RX-8 was praised for its balanced handling and responsive steering, thanks to its front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. While its rotary engine produced relatively modest horsepower compared to traditional piston engines, the RX-8 excelled in agility and handling, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads and racetracks. Throughout its production run, the Mazda RX-8 was offered in multiple trim levels, each with varying levels of features and performance enhancements. These trim levels often included sportier suspension setups, upgraded wheels, and other performance-oriented features. Despite its focus on performance, the RX-8 also offered a range of comfort and convenience features, including leather upholstery, automatic climate control, premium audio systems, and advanced safety features. While the Mazda RX-8 garnered a dedicated fan base and critical acclaim for its driving dynamics and unique design, it faced challenges, particularly in terms of its rotary engine's fuel efficiency and emissions. Ultimately, Mazda ceased production of the RX-8 in 2012, marking the end of an era for rotary-powered sports cars. Despite its discontinuation, the Mazda RX-8 remains a beloved and iconic model among enthusiasts, remembered for its spirited driving experience and distinctive character in the sports car landscape. Behind the wheel, the Mazda RX-8 offered a dynamic driving experience characterized by its responsive handling, precise steering, and rev-happy rotary engine. The car's well-tuned suspension and chassis provided excellent feedback and confidence-inspiring performance, whether on winding mountain roads or the racetrack.